So today let me understand a very interesting topic and that is quite very much not known for many normal people. So we are talking about cataract. So cataract is the cloudiness of the natural crystalline lens of the eye. So in within 2 minutes, let me understand what is cataract actually, why it happened, and how this cataract is treated. So it is a cross-sectional diagram of the eye and you can see the lens here, it is whitish opacified manner. So this is cataract look like. So you know what, cataract is the cloudiness of the crystalline lens of the eye. So normally this crystalline lens is very transparent and its work is to help the light rays to get focus on the retina properly to give a clear image. But because of the age or other factor, this lens is getting opaque or whitish manner, so it is obstructing the light to get through it and vision become blurry. So you know what, the most common cause for development of cataract is age. Other factors of cataract formation are long-term diabetes, long-term steroid intake, long-term exposure to UV radiation, injury, smoking, or if someone having family history, then also they might develop cataract earlier. So let me go to the sign and symptoms of cataract. First of all, if someone having signs of cataract or developing cataract, then they will have blurring of vision for distance as well as near. So they will have difficulty to read and doing their day-to-day work. There will be reduction of the contrast sensitivity also. Nighttime halos and glare are most of the time seen by the patients. Alongside, there is frequent change of glasses also noted by the patients if they have early cataract changes. So there is three types of cataract are there mainly. There is nuclear cataract, cortical cataract, and posterior subcapsular cataract. Now each type of the lens cataract affect different part of the lens and their symptoms might differ from each other. So cataract is diagnosed by the help of a simple test that is known as slit lamp examination and also by taking proper visual acuity. So the only treatment for cataract is by cataract surgery where the cloudy lens from the eye is removed from the eye surgically and an artificial intraocular lens is replaced in that eye. So it is a very safe and effective procedure and it gives a very tremendous visual outcome also. So if you also having some kind of vision related changes in your eye, definitely you should go to the nearest eye care practitioner and have a proper eye examination. Early detection is the key to prevent any kind of vision related changes. Thank you so much. So let me go to the sign and symptoms of cataract.